Hello friends. So welcome to a second lecture. Today we will discuss about the Bachelor of Science 6th semester UG degree course microbiology syllabus and university examination pattern, or you call them as a scheme. Very first, microbiology syllabus for BSc first year semester 1. It includes two paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 title History and Microbial Morphology. Paper 2 title Microbial Diversity. BSc second semester, again it includes two paper 1 and paper 2. So title of first paper Microbial Physiology and title of second paper Microbial Techniques. In the same way, BSc second year semester 3, again it includes two paper 1 and paper 2. Title of paper 1 Chemistry of Organic Constituents and Enzymology. Paper 2 title Industrial Microbiology. BSc semester 4, it includes two paper 1 title Metabolism, paper 2 title Applied Microbiology. BSc third year semester 5, which includes paper 1 title Medical Microbiology, paper 2 title Molecular Biology and Bioinstrumentation. BSc third year semester 6, paper 1 title Immunology and paper 2 title Biotechnology. So this is about the, in short, the microbiology syllabus. Now we will discuss about the RTMNU University examination pattern, a scheme regarding to the subject microbiology, Bachelor of Science 6th semester UG degree course. Now in this table, microbiology subject, which includes the two paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1, the theory examination, maximum marks 50, which is conducted by the university, and internal marks, which is allotted to the 10 marks. This is of your overall performance during the semester. And practical examination, which is conducted by the RTMNU, the maximum marks are 30. Paper 2 theory, which is conducted by the RTMNU, total marks 50. Internal marks, again that will be the 10 marks allotted, which again includes the overall performance of the student during the semester. And total marks, that is an 150. Paper 1 60, paper 2 60 plus practical 30, so total will be 150 marks. So minimum passing, that is an 40%, so you require the 48 marks for the passing, and for the practical the minimum passing marks, that is an 12. Keep the note, this scheme is applied for all the semester starting from the first semester to the sixth semester. Thank you.